Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install WordPress on a domain. So what we are going to do now is that we have to go to our cPanel. So if you click on this, it will take you to your cPanel. So here is our cPanel. So you come over to where you have WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So you click on it. Now, after that, you click on install. Now, you have to ensure that this protocol is set to be HTTPS. You come over here, you click on this, you select the domain you want to install WordPress on. Now, this is a domain. This was a domain we added on our cPanel. So I want to install WordPress on this domain, so I will click on it. Then you have to ensure that you select the latest version of WordPress. So this is the latest version of WordPress, and I'll click on it. So here you come over and set your site title. So mine is Scholar Prime. So your site description, let's say latest scholarship update. So I'll come over here and set the username. I can set my username to be admin. Then my password. Please ensure you copy this guy and paste somewhere else so you won't forget. So this is going to be my username, admin, and then my password. So I have copied them. So I will untick this. I'm going to tick this and this. So you come over here and click on install. So you wait for a while for it to get installed on your domain. So WordPress has been successfully installed. So what you are going to do, you can access your dashboard through this link, or you can come over here and type the URL of your site, scholarprime.com.au/. Now, when you want to access your dashboard, or let's say the back end of your site, it's very, very important. You have to include /wp admin. Now this one will take you to the back end of your site where you can effect changes on your website. So if I exclude this guy, if I remove this guy, it will take me to the home page of my site. So you see, I have successfully installed WordPress on my domain. So that is why I'm saying this. This is the default home page when you install WordPress on your domain. So I want to access the back end of my site. What I will simply do is that I will come over here and then add wp-admin. So I click on it. So here now I will have to input my username and then my password. I'll click on login. Alright guys, so this is a dashboard of WordPress website. So in the next video, I will show you how you can also install WordPress using your local host server. So this one, we have to buy the domain. This domain is not free. I bought the domain myself. The hosting I'm using to host this is not free. I bought them. So, but I know that some of you guys in the process of learning this course, you may not have money enough to purchase domain and hosting. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress locally in your computer. Now you're going to do the same thing, but this one you are not going to buy domain, you are not going to buy hosting. It's just free. So I want you guys to follow this teaching. I don't want you to miss anything. That's why I'm going to show you how you can do it. Then with that, you will do the same thing I'm doing. You will design any type of site, but note that those sites will not be live on the internet. You will be the only one to access it. This is helpful to enable some people follow this training. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.